Want to buy USDT on Binance? Follow along for a fast, clear walkthrough. First, sign in and complete identity verification if you haven't already. Link a payment method like a bank card or bank transfer in wallet and fiat. On the app, tap Buy Crypto, choose your fiat, then select USDT as the asset. On web, open Buy Crypto in the top menu, then pick USDT or the Fiat Purchase tab. Enter the amount in fiat or USDT, then review the displayed exchange rate and fees. Choose your payment method, tap Preview, then confirm the purchase when ready. You will see a success confirmation and USDT will appear in your spot wallet shortly. For lower fees, consider the P2P market. Choose a seller, pay externally, then release USDT. Always enable two-factor authentication and confirm you are on the official Binance domain. Quick recap: sign in, link payment, select USDT, enter amount, and confirm the purchase. Subscribe for more tutorials and keep your account secure. Thanks for watching.